Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, welcome back in this video. In this video, we are going to see problem number 8, which is again based on value of function. So let us start with the sum. Find a if f of x is equal to ax plus 10 and f of 1 is equal to 15. Till now, we are finding this value. But in this question, it is already provided. So, f of 1 is equal to 15. It means that in the given function, if I substitute x is equal to 1, the value of the function will be equal to 15. Now, f of x is equal to ax plus 10. So, simply we are going to use this equation and solve this problem so that we'll get the value of a. So f of 1 is equal to 15. That means we'll put x is equal to 1 in the above equation. So we'll write put x is equal to 1 in above function. So wherever there is x, that value will be replaced by 1. So the function becomes f of 1 is equal to a into 1 plus 10. So a into 1 is a only plus 10. Now what is f of 1? F of 1 is equal to 15. So f of 1 becomes 15. So plus 10 will come here. 15 minus 10 is nothing but a. So a is equal to 5. I hope you have understood this video. In the next videos, we are going to deal with the same problems. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda. Thank you.